Hey guys, this is a quick unboxing. So this is what we're unboxing today, and let's just do it. Okay, so I got this flosser today, and we'll see what's inside. So hopefully my hands don't get too much in the way. And you guys get this manual. And get some other stuff. Oh, here's everything. And this guy, that's about it. Alright, so let's take a look at this. Sorry about the lighting, I know it's not the best. Let's just put this down here below. Let's see how this is. I'm just gonna rip it apart. Here we go. So this is bigger than I thought. When I looked at the box, I expected this to be really small, but this is fairly good. Yeah, it's not bad. Not bad at all. Here are the tips. So let me just focus this camera so you guys can take a better look. So they all look the same. I don't know what I was expecting, different tips, but I was. Tongue scraper doesn't really look like a tongue scraper. Anyways, those are the tips that you get. No big deal. If it's for a family, this is great, because then you have one for each member, right? Here's this. This does feel cheap quality right away, but we'll see if it does the job. That I'm gonna see in my review, not right now. This is just a quick unboxing and, you know, just a first glance at this so you guys get an idea what we're looking at. Here we go. Let's just take this out, and that's it. So those are the mechanics right there. On, off, and I guess the speeds you guys select them like so. So this would go up, up, up. Select a different speed. And I'm not sure. Maybe you press. Oh yeah, I guess you press this to make it work, or release the thing, I guess. Anyways, like I said, just an unboxing. I'm not sure how this works yet, but I will be making a review in a couple weeks. I have to test it out first to see if it's actually worth it. But first glance, not that bad. This is the only part that just feels cheap, but everything else feels okay. I mean, this is heavy enough. So I'll take these guys out. I wasn't gonna take them out, but might as well show you guys. So here they are. They'll kind of look the same. Again, no big deal. Up right here. I guess we have to press this to make it go in. Maybe not. Instructions before doing this. Just put it in. Oh, okay. So you press this downwards, then you can put it in. Bang. Okay, now I got it. So that's how that looks. How big is that? I would say the size of an iPhone 6. That's how tall this is. A little bit taller. So yeah, this will reach you. You can put on your washroom and then use this. No problem. This goes on top of here. And that's it. Let me put these back. I want to get them too dirty. And this would go right here. And that's how that looks together. There we go. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing. Hopefully you guys got a quick glance of how this looks like. Of course, right here you guys can put these guys. So that's what it's for, right? Oh, the one missing would be the one that's on right here, right now. Anyways, that's it for this unboxing. If you guys have any comments, questions, you can write them down here below in the comments area. And don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.